Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of purchases on the application of very good settings. Very good settings. In this first page you will find data like this and you will enter to apps. Here in this page of app, I'm for a weekly search about Brave app. In this page you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we will enter storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again, so please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.